All right. Good morning, everybody. Wanted to just follow up on what I just said in a morning video. We are going to be touching on question words today. So, question words. Question words in English, we all know them. Who, what, why, when, where, how many, all those good ones that are essential when you've got a question of somebody. So, it goes without saying that it's probably worthwhile to remember to do this. Now, I did mention previously that our book decides not to cover this until the latter part of the year, even though you have been exposed to a lot of these, just as we have gone through classes. And we're going to touch base on a couple of these things right now. And I guess we will start off with, first of all, just rattling off some of these question words, all of which that show up on your most recent vocabulary list. The very first one that you've got here is como, como or how, como. Okay, and another thing before I actually start off or get too far into this, notice how each one of these question marks each one of these question words happens to have an accent mark in them. An accent mark over the O, an accent mark over the A, an accent mark over the O, an accent mark over the E. Okay? Obviously, a question word in a sentence or a question is going to have question marks bracketing the question. Okay, so that's going to tell you that there is a question going on there in Spanish, just the same way that it does in English. However, this accent mark, those are my cats playing there, sorry about that. So that accent mark is another way to be able to, a lot of times, ID that question word. Okay, so let's first of all touch on our question word. So I already mentioned como, or how. The next one, cuando, when. After that is cuánto, how many or how much. Okay, the next one is donde, or where. The next one is por qué, two separate words, por qué, which is why. The next one is qué, or what. After that is cuál, which means which. And then quién is either who or whom. And then the last one is a donde, very similar to donde, and that is to where. A donde vas? Where are you going to? Okay, now to help with our question words, I want you to be able to utilize this lovely video that I happen to have over here. We have this young lady that has always been a part of my Spanish classes, and here she is making an appearance. This is the first time for her this year, and I'm going to let you guys listen to what she's going to sing about. Okay, everybody knows the Spanish, or everybody knows the song Jingle Bells, I hope. Okay, Jingle Bells. Okay, well, this is a song, Spanish question words and phrases in a Jingle Bell tune. Everybody loves Jingle Bells. Everybody knows the tune of Jingle Bells. We're actually going to be able to have a song now that'll help us remember these. Okay, and you guys are actually going to get an opportunity to show me your abilities to be able to do these question words and to maybe go along with the song. Anyway, let's take it from here. Let's listen to what she's got to say. And it's not too terribly long. It's only 21 seconds. Okay, let's continue. Here we go. Okay, so we had her singing for us. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. Okay, oops, let's move on back. Okay, so our first part. Cuando when, cuanto is how much. Donde where, porque is why. Cuanta is because. Que is what, cual is which. Quien is who or whom. At what time. Donde is where to. Okay, so let us. She's starting again on me. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here and actually show you the lyrics. Okay, so let's follow along. Como, how, cuando, when, cuanto is how much. Donde, where, porque is why. Porque is because. Que is what, cual is which. Quien is who or whom. A que hora, at what time. Donde is where to. And just like that, the song is done. 20 exciting seconds, and we're done with the exciting song. This is a question word song in Spanish to the tune of Jingle Bells. So let us take a look at some of these here, okay? Actually, I'm going to stop right now.